Health is the one inheritance you must build with your own two hands.
Welcome to Beyond Limit Growth, the place where your strongest self begins. Let's begin with the truth we all feel but rarely admit. We're tired, not just physically, but mentally and emotionally. And deep down, every human craves the same thing: to wake up energized, focused, grounded, and capable. Energy isn't something you find, it's something you create. It's built in the small choices we tend to overlook. Stretching for 5 minutes, drinking water before caffeine, walking instead of scrolling, breathing instead of panicking. When your energy rises, the world feels lighter. Your tasks feel easier. Your decisions become clearer. Your confidence grows almost without trying.
Hey, you look different today. Lighter somehow? Sleeping better?
Not really, just taking better care of myself.
Because the strongest people aren't always the most talented. They're the ones who take care of their bodies like an ally, not an afterthought. And consistency, that's where the magic begins. Think about it. Every great comeback story starts the same way, with someone deciding they're done being exhausted, not because life got easier, but because they stopped abandoning their own well-being. We chase money, success, validation, but none of them mean anything if your body is too drained to enjoy them. When you protect your energy, your entire life elevates with it. Let's study the mindset of someone who proved what discipline can create. Decades before fitness was a trend, Jack LaLanne was waking up before dawn, exercising when the world was asleep, and dedicating his life to showing that strength isn't a gift, it's a decision. He pulled boats with his teeth. He completed insane endurance feats. He inspired millions long before social media existed. But what made him powerful wasn't the stunts, it was his consistency. He treated his body like his most valuable tool. He respected it, he maintained it, he used it. He refused to treat aging as a slow decline. He treated it as a challenge. Day after day, year after year, he honored his routine.
Man, how do you stay this consistent every day?
It's not talent. It's a promise I made to myself.
And here's the lesson he leaves for us. Health isn't about being young. It's about being committed. Discipline doesn't just add years to your life. It adds life to your years. So what's the path for you? It's simpler than you think. Your transformation is not built on motivation. Motivation fades, inspiration fades, the hype fades. It's built on identity, the quiet promise you make to yourself about who you are becoming. It's built in the moments nobody sees, choosing a healthier meal even when stressed, exercising even when tired, sleeping early even when tempted to scroll, showing up even when you're not in the mood.
If I don't show up for myself, who will?
These tiny, invisible moments, they compound, they build momentum, they build character. They build a version of you that feels unstoppable. because your body listens. It remembers every act of discipline, every act of respect, every act of self-care. And slowly, something beautiful begins to happen. Your mind becomes sharper, your emotions become steadier, your self-worth begins to rise. You stop waking up tired, you stop moving through life on empty, you stop treating exhaustion like it's normal. You don't need perfection, you need direction, you need momentum, you need habits that carry you when motivation disappears. Once your energy improves, your life improves with it. Your work becomes easier, your relationships become deeper, your dreams feel closer, your future feels possible. And one day, without even noticing it, you become someone unrecognizable, stronger, calmer, more present, more alive.
Strength doesn't start in the gym. It starts with how I treat myself.
Here's the truth, nobody teaches us in school. Your life becomes powerful the moment your body becomes a priority. When your health rises, everything else rises with it. Your discipline strengthens, your clarity widens, your courage multiplies. You stop surviving and start living. Most people don't fail because they lack talent. They fail because their energy is too low to use the talent they already have. Your body is not just a vessel, it is the engine of your dreams. It is the foundation of your peace. It is the fuel behind every goal you've ever imagined. And when you strengthen it, even slowly, life opens doors you didn't know existed. If today's message gave you even a small spark, don't let it disappear. Take one step today, just one, that your future self will look back on with gratitude. And if you want more lessons to strengthen your mind, your discipline, and your energy, make sure to like this video, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe to Beyond Limit Growth for more life-changing insights every week.
Take care of your energy and watch how your entire life rises with it. I'll see you in the next video.